Everyone's suddenly selling an AI SEO tool, not because it's trendy, but because SEO teams are under pressure to move faster, trust data over gut feeling, and keep up with search that never stops changing. AI adoption proves it. 60% of marketers are already piloting or scaling AI, up 18% in 2 years. But here's the issue. Calling a tool AI-powered doesn't mean it actually helps you win in search or that it properly supports your team's work today. Most tools solve one narrow problem. Very few connect the full SEO and AI visibility picture. So in this video, I'll break down 10 AI SEO tools that actually matter in 2026. We'll judge each one on 5 things: multidimensional SEO support, AI-driven content and on-page optimization, AI visibility, scalability for teams, and value for different user levels. And one quick thing before we start, if this breakdown helps, a like or subscribe really helps it reach more people dealing with the same questions. All right, let's get into it, starting with a platform that covers both traditional SEO and the emerging world of AI search optimization, SEO ranking. More specifically, it's AI Search Add-on, which is built for day-to-day AI search optimization work. The AI Search Add-on extends SEO Ranking's core SEO platform with tools to track, analyze, and optimize your visibility across major AI search engines, all inside the same interface you already use for SEO. With the add-on, you can track how your brand appears in Google AI Overviews, AI Mode, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. You see when your brand or website is mentioned, whether it's linked or not, how high it appears in AI answers, which brands and URLs are cited most often, and how that visibility changes over time. The built-in insights layer then highlights where your brand is missing from AI answers, what's helping competitors get cited, and where to focus next without manual analysis. It also unlocks AI competitor research. You can benchmark your brand against competitors, review AI answers for specific prompts, compare mentions, links, positions, and estimated traffic driven from AI overviews links. You can benchmark your brand against competitors and track how competitor visibility evolves over time to spot gaps and opportunities. And because all this lives inside a full SEO platform, you can turn insights into action immediately. Optimize content with the AI writer and on-page tools, improve authority through backlink analysis, fix technical issues with the website audit tool, track keyword performance with the keyword rank tracker, and get automated recommendations from SEO Ranking's AI-powered insights. For teams that need a higher-level strategic view, the AI Search Add-on also includes early access to SE Visible. SE Visible is a standalone product designed for leadership and strategy. It gives a big-picture view of AI visibility, including sources, citations, sentiment, and overall brand presence across AI platforms. Overall, SEO Ranking works best for SEO teams, agencies, and in-house marketers who want to manage AI visibility and execution in one place, instead of splitting strategy and action across multiple tools. The big advantage here is flexibility. You already get some AI tracking included by default in the core plan, starting at a little over $100 per month. And when you need more, the AI Search Add-on lets you scale tracking as your needs grow. The trade-off is that pricing increases with usage, which might be a downside for some teams, and a few advanced features do take a bit of time getting used to. But you're not left on your own. There are solid onboarding resources, a free 14-day trial, and a 20% annual discount. Here's how this tool scores. If you're a solo marketer or small team looking for something simpler and budget-friendly, Mangools is worth a close look. It's an all-in-one SEO tool that includes tools for keyword research, SERP analysis, rank tracking, backlink analysis, and domain analysis. On the AI front, their free AI Search Grader reveals how your brand shows up across ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, and 5 other AI models. Without an account, you can check 3 models. Sign up for free and you get all 8. The AI Search Washer takes it further by monitoring visibility changes and letting you benchmark against competitors and AI-generated results. You can see which positions you hold within the top 20 AI results and get an AI search score that summarizes your overall visibility and ranking performance compared to others. Mangools works best for small teams, freelance SEOs, and self-taught marketers. It's easy to use, quick to set up, and some AI insights are available for free. That said, the AI features are fairly high level. Free insights are limited to a few AI models, and there's no AI content optimization capability. Pricing is straightforward. The AI Search Grader costs nothing. The AI Search Watcher also has a free beginner package. For more advanced tracking, Pro runs at $12 a month for 500 monitored prompts, and custom pricing is available if you need more. Or you could go for the full Mangools SEO bundle and get the AI Search Watcher at a 50% discount. The bundle starts at just over $30 a month. Here's the overall score against our criteria. If rank tracking at a massive scale is your priority, especially across international and niche search engines, Advanced Web Ranking is built exactly for that. It's a ranking-focused SEO tool that tracks your website's performance across more than 4,000 search engines worldwide. We're talking Google, obviously, but also DuckDuckGo, Amazon, Baidu, and others. On the AI side, Advanced Web Ranking adds targeted visibility features. The AI Overviews Tracker shows how your brand appears in Google AI Overviews, while AI Brand Visibility reveals how leading AI systems like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity represent your brand. You can see which topics AI associates with you, what other domains are mentioned alongside your brand, and how often you appear in AI discussions. It also includes sentiment and visibility scores, so you understand how AI talks about your brand and how that compares to competitors. Advanced Web Ranking works best for SEO agencies, in-house teams, and enterprises managing multiple clients or large keyword portfolios. But it's important to be clear about the trade-offs. This is a tracking-first tool. It won't help you create content, run technical audits, or optimize pages. For those tasks, you'll need additional tools. And pricing reflects that. Plans start at $139 per month and scale up quickly as your keyword volumes grow. There's a 7-day free trial to test it out, plus a 10% discount if you pay annually. Time to score this one. Next up is Alli AI, and this one takes a very different approach. Alli AI is focused almost entirely on on-page SEO automation. It lets you make SEO changes across hundreds or thousands of pages directly from its dashboard. Update titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content across multiple pages at once. AI internal linking automation creates context-based internal links at scale. The AI schema markup generator adds structured data without coding. You can also run SEO split testing on page titles to see what drives more traffic. Their AI crawler enablement platform helps ensure your site is visible in AI-generated answers, not just traditional search. Alli AI works best for SEO agencies, in-house teams, and businesses managing large or complex websites, especially when developer resources are limited. It automates SEO changes without coding and integrates with most CMS platforms. They also offer an AI search revenue impact calculator to show how much revenue you might be losing from poor AI visibility. Anyway, it's laser focused on on-page SEO. The pricing is also higher than competitors. Plans start at $299 per month and scale up for agency and enterprise teams, making this a better fit for organizations managing multiple large sites. You can save up to 17% with annual billing though, and there's a 10-day free trial to test it out. Here's the scoring. If you need a platform that covers the entire SEO spectrum, Ahrefs is one of the most trusted names in the industry, built around large-scale search data and competitive analysis. Ahrefs handles backlink analysis, keyword research, rank tracking, site audits, and competitive analysis. It's not marketed as a pure AI SEO tool, but it packs a ton of AI-driven features that help teams understand what ranks, why it ranks, and how to improve. For example, Brand Radar shows how any brand appears across AI answers, YouTube, and Reddit. It tracks real AI-generated answers, measures AI share of voice, highlights which sources AI relies on, and lets you benchmark your visibility against competitors to spot gaps and opportunities. The AI Content Grader compares your content against top-ranking pages and highlights gaps in your structure, keywords, and topic coverage. The AI Content Helper creates SEO-optimized articles. Alongside its core AI features, Ahrefs also offers a wide set of free AI writing tools, useful for quick outlines, rewrites, titles, meta descriptions, and content ideas when you need speed over depth. Ahrefs works best for solo SEO professionals, in-house SEO teams, content teams, and agencies. It's widely trusted for its data quality, and the combination of full SEO coverage with strong AI content tools makes it a comprehensive solution. That said, There's no free trial, and pricing ramps up quickly. For SEO beginners, plans start at $29 per month with tight limits and scale up to enterprise plans at almost $1,500. Many of the features we talked about are add-ons as well. The content kit starts at $99 per month, and Brand Radar AI at a monthly cost of $199. Let's see the overall score. Quick check. If this is useful so far, let me know in the comments or hit like. Back to the tools. If you want a platform that's specifically built around AI-driven content optimization and SERP analysis, Surfer SEO is the next stop. Surfer SEO helps content rank by aligning it with what already works in search. It analyzes top-ranking pages and uses NLP to guide how content should be structured, written, and optimized. For example, AI Tracker monitors brand and content mentions in AI search engines like ChatGPT and others. AI Articles generates ready-to-rank articles based on SERP analysis. The number you can create scales with your plan. The AI Writing Assistant improves your content's clarity, structure, and keyword usage in real time with the content score tied to actual ranking signals. The AI Humanizer detects and rewrites AI-generated content so that it sounds more natural. Surfer SEO works best for in-house marketers, SEO teams, and agencies publishing high volumes of long-form content. It's easy to use, structured, and designed to scale content production. That said, it's limited to content optimization. There's also no free trial. The AI Tracker is a separate $95 per month add-on. Pricing has 3 plans with 20% off if paid annually. Plans start at $99 per month and scale based on article volume, with higher tiers for larger teams. Let's evaluate it. All right, let's check out a more content-first tool. Scalenut focuses less on tracking and more on helping you plan, write, and optimize content quickly. It combines keyword research, competitor analysis, content briefing, and draft generation in one workflow. Cruise Mode is the standout feature. It automates the entire content creation process from topic discovery to finished copy. The AI Detector and Humanizer spot AI text and make it sound natural. The AI Link Manager suggests internal links. The AI Brand Visibility Tracker shows where your brand appears in ChatGPT, Google AI Overviews, and other AI engines, how visible it is across platforms, and where you're losing ground to competitors. Scalenut works best for in-house content teams, marketing teams, and independent SEO specialists. It brings research and writing into one workflow, generates drafts quickly using SEO-focused prompts, and gives clear optimization guidance. That said, the AI output often needs manual editing, and the platform is very content-focused. Pricing scales by content volume. Plans start at $49 per month, with higher tiers unlocking more articles, pages, and keyword clusters. There's also a free trial, although the exact length isn't very clear. If you've tested it, let us know in the comments. Here's how we scored this tool. Next up is Profound, a platform built specifically to help brands understand how they appear inside AI-generated search results and answer engines. Profound shows how and where AI mentions your brand across platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, and Google AI Overviews. You see what AI systems are saying about you, which sources they rely on, and how your brand compares to competitors. Several features stand out here. Prompt volumes reveal what millions of users are actually asking AI about topics related to your brand. Agent Analytics shows how AI crawlers visit and interpret your site. For e-commerce brands, Shopping Visibility tracks how products appear in ChatGPT shopping results. Profound works best for enterprise SEO teams, brand marketers, and agencies that need AI search insights for strategy, competitive analysis, or executive reporting. The enterprise-grade tracking across all major AI engines is comprehensive. The data quality is excellent, and the interface is modern and user-friendly. However, in order to get insights from all AI search engines, you need the priciest enterprise plan. There's also no free trial. Pricing has 5 plans with 2 months free if paid annually. Plans start at $99 per month for limited AI tracking and scales up to custom enterprise plans for full coverage. Here's where it lands on our scorecard. Peec AI might be the better fit if you want something simpler, cleaner, and more focused on brand positioning than profound. Peec AI helps teams understand if, how often, and where their brand appears in AI responses, and how that compares to competitors. Visibility shows how often your brand appears in AI-generated answers across tracked prompts. Position tracks where your brand appears within AI-generated answers and how it ranks against competitors. Sentiment identifies the context, positive, neutral, or negative, in which AI mentions your brand. Peec AI works best for SEO teams, agencies, and brand marketers who need AI visibility insights without the complexity. The clear focus on AI visibility and measurement makes it easy to understand and use. The interface is modern and user-friendly. You get insights on competitive performance in AI search. That focus does come with trade-offs. This is an AI search analytics only tool designed to measure visibility rather than act on it. Pricing includes 3 plans with 15% off on annual billing. Plans start at 89 euros per month for tracking a limited number of prompts and scale up as volumes grow. Here's how it performs across our 5 criteria. And the final tool on our list is ChatGPT, probably the most familiar option here, and one many marketers already use every day. It's not a dedicated AI SEO tool, but it's widely used to support SEO work on the content side. ChatGPT helps with ideation, drafting, rewriting, summarizing, and adapting content for different formats and languages. It's also useful for prompt-based research, exploring competitor angles, and creating content briefs. ChatGPT works best for content writers, marketers, and SEO teams that need a flexible assistant across multiple stages of content creation. It's very flexible and easy to use. There's a free tier to get started, though it doesn't include SEO data, performance tracking, or direct insights into rankings or AI visibility. Output quality depends heavily on how well you prompt it. Pricing ranges from free to enterprise. The free tier comes with limited access. Paid plans start with the Go plan, priced at $7 per month, though its availability is limited to certain countries. Higher tiers scale up with usage and advanced capabilities. Here's how ChatGPT scores. Okay, we've scored each tool based on the criteria we picked. But choosing one clear winner doesn't really make sense here because it all depends on what you actually need the tool to do. So instead, here's how these tools shake out by use case. If there's one takeaway from this list, it's this. AI SEO tools work best when visibility actually turns into action. Tracking alone isn't enough. Content alone isn't enough. The real value comes when insights lead to execution. That's why platforms that connect AI visibility with hands-on SEO work tend to win over time, especially as search keeps evolving. If this breakdown helps you figure out which direction makes sense for your setup, hit like and let me know in the comments which tool are you using today or planning to test next.